Hi, good evening. Ngayon ay Christmas Day, December 25. At hindi ako madalas nagbubukas. Pero napansin ko lang, pagbukas ko ng FB, may dalawang medyo kakaibang response. Even especially among Christians. And sad to say, some are Christian leaders. Some are well-known leaders of the church nowadays. And they are very much acquainted with some research and studies. So, they are saying na this is not the exact date, etc., etc. Pero, noon pa man, yan ay issue na, Some would say, of course, we are aware na ito ay declared as somehow connected with the pagan worship, pagan celebration, whether Mithras or the sun worship. They are actually indistinguishable event, but they are actually different na nag-point out na the same date din sineselebrate. So they are saying yung celebration ngayon ng December 25 ay hindi valid, hindi legit. Na pag tayo nagse-celebrate, we are actually honoring not Christ because ay ginamit lang to ni Constantine just to cater, to cater yung mga pagan at the same time yung Christian na hindi sila out of place dahil there are already existing celebration even before the declaration of December 25 as the birth of Christ. But I have here the book, The Birth of Christ by Peter Sammons, one of the book that I already read even before. He is actually saying something, a scholar explanation, regarding the date. He is actually saying, of course, yung celebration ng birthday. So during the time of Origen is one of the church fathers, well-known theologians. The earliest century, I think, 200 to 300 AD. Ayaw niya ng celebration kasi celebration during that time ay connected with the pagan ritual and activity. Usually, they are only celebrating yung mga well-known people like the Pharaoh and even yung birthday ni Herod. Kaya even during their time, they are not actually celebrating any birthday, even yung personal birthday nila. Pero kung ang pag-uusapan natin the exact date, ang sinasabi niya sa kanyang libro na lalo na sa last, may isang chapter siya na in-spend niya yung argument, yung pagtatalo tungkol sa exact date. He's actually saying na even before Constantine, there are already some dates referred by some church fathers. Yung isa sa predecessors ni Origen, I think si Clement of Alexandria. Nagbigay na siya ng date, although hindi ganun ka-exact, pero they had somehow that idea of celebrating it. Pero merong isa na very clear, na nag-declare sa kanyang sermon, si John Chrysostom, 347 to 407. Hindi dahil dineclare ni Constantine. Even before that, itong church father na to sa kanyang homily, documented to, ay nag-declare siya ng importance ng celebration. In fact, ang sabi niya sa kanyang homily, he declared it as the holiest day of the year. Because without it, Christ could not have been baptized, crucified, nor crucified or risen. So si John Chrysostom, 347 to 407 BC. Si Constantine, I think, nasa 387 nung nag-declare siya. In-associate niya itong December 25. What I'm saying is this, even before Constantine, ay meron ng mga proposition, meron ng mga attempt to somehow celebrate the idea of the birth of Christ. Although some are inaccurate date, may nag-date pa before ng November 8, So, may mga errors before. Pero yung attempt to celebrate it, not exactly and literally connected with the declaration of Constantine, na ngayon ay ginagamit na maraming mga scholar, sinasabi nila ay doon ang galing. Even some religious group like Iglesia ni Cristo, Jehovah's Witnesses, they have historical records. But dito sa book ni Simon, sinasabi niya hindi totoo yun. Even before, mga church fathers, mga theologians, especially itong si John Chrysostom, sa kanyang homily and other part dito sa page, medyo later part na, In fact, nag-spend siya ng halos isang chapter just to defend sa proposition daw ni John Chrysostom. Nagbigay pa siya ng tatlong proofs about the exact date. Number 1, yung Gamaliel statement sa Acts chapter 5 verse 38 to 39. I-elaborate niya to. At pangalawa na proof yung date daw nung census sa Luke chapter 2 verse 1 to 7. And the last is the exegesis of scripture confirms the date, yung pronouncement ng birth of John the Baptizer to Zechariah. All this would lead to the conclusion and in support dun sa idea natin ng December 25. So, ito ay opinion lang at galing sa isang libro dito sa libro ni Peter Sammons, The Birth of Christ. But ganun pa man, sabi nga natin, ang mahalaga, ako, I'm celebrating it with the awareness na I'm celebrating it not in honor or with the pagan god, whether Mithras or the sun god. But of course, mahalaga, lagi nga natin binibiling diin, is the real reason, the essence of celebrating this Christmas. So yun lang, in response do sa mga somehow historical and scholarly explanation by some church leaders na nababasa ko ngayon sa kanilang mga posts and even ng mga libro. Yun lang, maraming salamat.